Welcome to this video on how to graph ordered pairs containing zeros. In other words, ordered pairs that land on the x or y axes. Let's begin. How do we graph the following ordered pairs? Well, notice here you already have an axis. You can see the x-axis and the y-axis, and we need to graph these four ordered pairs. So let's start with the first point, which is 0, 3. So I invite you to remember the fact that the first value is the x value and the second value is the y value. So what does that mean? That means that the first value tells you how far from the origin, remember the origin is right here at 0, 0, so the first number tells you how far left or right from the origin you move. So since the number is 0, that means you stay right at the origin. So that means we don't move left or right on the x-axis, we just stay at the origin. Then the y value is positive 3, that tells you that we go up 3 units. So let's use we'll use the color orange for this first ordered pair. So the point 0, 3 is right here, and I will label it A. So let's go to the next problem. The next problem is 0, negative 2. So once again, my x is 0, so that means I move 0 units left or right. I stay exactly where I am at that red dot, the origin, and then I move down 2 units because the y value is negative 2. So that means that the point B, which is 0, negative 2, is right there on the y-axis. Again, it's 2 units below the origin. Then let's look at point C. Point C is negative 4, 0. So how do we graph this? Well, negative 4 tells us I need to move to the left of the origin 4 units. And then 0 tells me that I don't move up and down at all on the y-axis. It means I move 0 units up or 0 units down. So that means the point C is located right here. So last but not least, we have point D. So this tells us that we need to move 1 unit right, because remember the direction of right is positive and left is negative. So we are going to put this point right here. So point D is again 1 unit right and 0 units up or down. So hopefully this has been a helpful and useful exercise, so now you are able to plot ordered pairs that land on either the x or the y axis.